So far, I've taken a 1.7% hit and I've outperformed TQQQ by 24%. Hey everyone, welcome to Million Dollar SIP, where I'm documenting my real-time journey of growing my portfolio from $0 to $1 million in 10 years using a hybrid SIP strategy. This is day 26 update and I'll take you through my investment decision, trade execution, and performance update. But before that, a quick disclaimer. This channel serves as my personal investment journal and is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. TQQQ is a high-risk ETF and investing a large amount at once is extremely dangerous. I personally follow an SIP approach with strict risk management to navigate volatility. Now, on to the main topic. After nearly 4 weeks, the opening price and closing price of the previous day's candle finally closed above 12 EMA, signaling an uptrend in TQQQ. My strategy does not predict whether the uptrend will continue. I simply use the previous day's candle to determine my daily investment limit. Since TQQQ is now in an uptrend, my investment range is $150 to $200. Next, I switched to the 5-minute time frame. TQQQ opened above the 12 EMA, so I waited for a dip below and a subsequent cross back above before entering my trade. At 10:30 Central Time, the price dipped below the 12 EMA. Then at 11:50, it crossed back above, and by 12, I got a clear confirmation. So I executed my trade where I bought 3 units at $67.12, investing a total of $201. By the end of the day, TQQQ closed at 67.31, up by 1.8%. Now, let's take a look at portfolio performance. So far, my total investment stands at $5,818, with the latest TQQQ price closing at 67.31. which brings the market value of my holdings to $5,721. My average cost per unit is currently $68.45, meaning I'm sitting on a net loss of $97, which translates to a 1.7% decline. Since I started this investment journey, TQQQ has dropped by 25.6%, but my portfolio has declined by only 1.7%. This means I have successfully outperformed TQQQ by 24% so far. This demonstrates the effectiveness of my hybrid SIP strategy, which helps mitigate downside risk while allowing me to accumulate more units at lower prices. By following my structured approach, I continue to reduce my average cost while staying ahead of TQQ's overall decline. So that wraps up day 26 of my investment journey. I'll continue sharing daily updates, and at the end of each week, I'll post a weekly performance summary to analyze my overall progress. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along to see how this journey unfolds. See you in the next video.